Good morning. Well, actually, it is afternoon. Hello, world. I got some sleep. Finally, peaceful sleep last night. Karen D on the mood. Well, as most of you know, my ass has not been moving since August 20th, actually, of this year, when I wrecked my car. And when I tell y'all it was so bizarre, don't mean for it to rhyme, but hey, I am a writer, I am an actor, so I will get a little bit dramatic, okay? But I wrecked my car and it was so bizarre. But since that time, I did work because I am a person that believes in working and taking care of myself. I am an actor, to those of you who don't know. I do background acting, and I am making my way into the front. Irreconcilable Differences, plan to get it October 21st through the 23rd. Anyway, back to my story and my testimony. So I wrecked my car, and since that time, I did work a little bit. I did a little job, but I was home for 3 weeks. And I realized I've been so busy that I had not taken a break since March of this year. The beginning of this year, I became a single lady, divorcee, after 34 years of marriage, 38 years of totality of being with my ex. And I lost my father, who I was taking care of, to COVID-19. So I was keeping my mind busy and didn't realize just how busy I was keeping it. But I was keeping it busy in the way I was being led to keep it busy. In other words, my dreams are to become a TV star. Putting it out there. And yes, I am on my way there. Film star right now. Irreconcilable Differences. Gonna keep on saying that name. Estelle. So, anyway, my dreams, because they are so big, and let's face it, I may look it, but I'm no spring chicken, and no comments out there, okay? But I'm no spring chicken. In fact, I have worked in the medical field for 25 years, and I am an 8-time published author, self-published author, and I started my own publishing company and gave opportunities to other arising authors. So yeah, I've been a battle warrior, is what it is, because I don't get on here to brag. In fact, that's why I'm not on regular social media. That's why this is going strictly up to my YouTube. So those 6 weeks, I had discernment, people. I've used that word so loosely before, discernment. My grandmother used to use it, discernment. I had discernment in those weeks, the 3 weeks anyway, that I had to sit here. I didn't mind being here, no car. But I'm the type that I'm not going to ask anyone to do anything for me, because I know first and foremost that God's got me. But I know from experience that no one really ever have you, and you cannot depend on anyone to have you. They have to have themselves. They have their own battles that they're fighting within themselves. And it would be unfair of you to depend on a person to hold you up when you are a whole person yourself. Discernment. Discernment. Now, with that being said, God never said he wouldn't place the right people at the right time. And while he's placing those people at the right time, the right people, it's going to be some more to come in there to try to throw you off your path. Discernment. See, I was shown who was loyal, I would say, I guess, in a way. And I have to thank, oh my goodness, I have to thank my bestie, Ebony Granger. That one right there is a real one. My sister, I call her my sister, and she is my sister, Michelle Neal. She's my sister-in-law, but she is my sister. I have to thank her. My nephew, Christopher. My son, he stepped up to the plate for his mama. And my beautiful bonus daughter, Cornisha. And I cannot leave out my great long-time friend, Vera. I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being here for me during these times. So, as I say, he showed me discernment and he brought me closer to him. I had to turn down booking jobs. And y'all, when I tell you, acting is my passion that I just found in 2019. And when I tell you, it tore my heart out not to be able to be in front of that camera, even background. It's what I love to do. But I had to have patience. So discernment, patience. And you must have that in order to receive what God has for you. I've lost so much this year. My father can never be replaced. A father can never, ever be replaced because he's never lost. My dad will always be right here forever. So no, he does not need to be replaced because he's not lost. A marriage, a husband, they can be replaced. And God says, I will give better. Because he'll take on the inside of how my dad treated me and put it into whoever is meant for me and present it in front of me. And my word about that, patience. Patience. Karen D got plenty of patience on that. And then alas, rewards. He blessed me with another car on yesterday. Satan tried to send apprehension to me. I mean, nobody wants to get in debt nowadays. But the blessing that God sent to me was an upgrade of what he had given to me. One second. Okay. So I just showed to you all the new car, the upgrade that God gave to me. So when you feel like God is taken from you, no, baby, he's not taken from you. He's getting ready to upgrade you. Bye-bye.